It is time now for a check on the weather forecast with Mika Mandola, who's standing by outside. It looks beautiful out there and sitting at 14 degrees.
I know, and it's fantastic. Courtney, it's a great day to be outdoors safely and social distance out in the sunshine. Put the sunshine. And the winds are on the easterly side, sometimes getting up to 40 kilometers an hour at times, but most of the times anywhere from 15 to 20 kilometers an hour. They are easterly winds, so you will be a few degrees cooler closer to the lakes, or otherwise we'll see temperatures right around 15 to 16. Region is actually in winds are at 21 degrees right now, and wind speeds are about 5 to 20 kilometers an hour, sometimes gusting up to 40. 8 is our overnight low. We should be closer to the freezing mark for our overnight temps this time around 9, so way above normal, very slow. And then we'll get a nice little break, and then by Sunday or Monday, we'll see some more showers. Today, though, we're going to see highs of about 15 to 16 with lots of sunshine. Let's go inside.